protect what matters most. Life insurance is not about expecting something bad to happen. It's about preparing with love and responsibility. Life insurance provides financial protections for your family if something unexpected happens to you. It ensures that the people you love can continue to pay for daily expenses, rent or mortgage, education, and debts, even when you are no longer there to protect for them. There are different types of life insurance, but the main purpose is the same: peace of mind. It helps replace lost income, covers final expenses, and protect your family from financial stress during an already emotional time. If you're ready to protect your family and your future, let's talk. My name is Cherry. I'm not a fruit. I'm your life insurance advisor, committed to helping families protect what God is entrusted to them.